It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-350 XLT in agate black. It has medium dark slate cloth interior, seating for 5, and this is 4 doors and a 6.5 foot box. You're also seeing those nice running boards as well as cab steps. This has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 paired with automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 package, which includes skid plates. You've got a trailer tow package, nice generous box with box link, and many more features. If you'd like to take this beauty out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 6.7 liter Power Stroke V8 diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as the B&O badging for your audio system. You also have power windows that are power scope, telescoping trailer tow mirrors, and you also have your power locks and windows. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your passenger seat is manually adjusted, and you've got carpeted mats on the floor. Your electronic parking brakes located here, power pedals, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, the tailgate release, and you've got a grab handle as well as a running board, just making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, volume, your menu, hands-free dialing, and when you start up the vehicle, it's just a push start, foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and then on your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, as well as the menu will come up. So it's just reminding you about seat belts, of course, for safety. Let's get into the menu. My view, trip fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status information, navigation, phone, and these all have submenus, by the way, audio, vehicle maintenance, and settings. And then in the center, we have our B&O badging and a little place to put items. And this is your exhaust brakes. And there's your camera. I'm not in gear. This is giving me a view. So this is the view out the front. And this is where I am in space. I'm just press on that. Your hazard lights, traction control, hill descent. You've got your sources. Let's touch on that. You've got your entertainment, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And you're seeing this little panel on the right hand side. And right now it says navigation. We can go up and down in that for different things that we want to see. If you want to go in there, go into the bed camera. That's kind of cool. And you can have this little side menu as well. We can go into navigation. We'll have the full map. You can choose your destination. And then we have our settings we can go into as well. So you've got different options in there. You can change the look of your display, vehicle information, general. This is where your measurements are located. So things for your temperature or your mileage, if you want it in miles or kilometers, you want Fahrenheit or Celsius, you can go back and forth through that. You can slide through for different options. You've got vehicle hotspot, connectivity, software updates, so forth. In the features, you're going to find your owner's manual as well as towing, zone lighting, and driver assist. Now, when we go and put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So here we are in space, right off the back bumper, and this is green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles, and there's our center line. I'm going to put us back into park. There we go. Volume and tuner. There's your fan, heated seats for both driver and passenger. You have your AC and max AC, rear defrost, and in the center, USB-C and a USB outlet, little cubby. Got cubbies here, cup holders. Off to the side, this is your integrated trailer brake controller, and then your 4x4 with locking differential and your drive mode. So we can dial through that. You'll see it on your dash. So there's normal. And the icons are going to change. Slippery roads, and it's shifting into 4x4. Off-road, and I'm going to go back around the other way. There we go. Eco. And you're seeing the icons at the bottom as well. You can see that. Whoops. And let's just get back in there, and I want to show that to you. There you go. So not only do you have the icon here, you also have it down below. So as road conditions and weather conditions change, you can adapt by changing the different features in the drive mode for whatever you need, more or less traction or control. You've got an armrest in the center here, and that just opens up, and I'm just going to press the button. You've got a nice little bin in here. Take that out. You've got outlets and lots of room down below. Let's close that up. Off to the side is your 12 volt. You've got a 120 volt. There's 2 glove compartments. The lower one's locking. That one releases from there. Grab handle in the body. And you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder. You also have upfitter switches, and you have the power sliding window in the rear. I'm just going to press the button here, and you can see it sliding across. And there you go. You also have a grab handle in the body. That just makes it easier. 3-inch wheels, black running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap, and you have the FX4 off-road badging, and that also means that you have skid plates. As well, in the rear where the handle's located, you have your backup camera just above it, and to the right is your LED light. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you're ready to open up that tailgate, all you have to do is double click your fob. It'll power it down for you. You've got this nice big box. It's got tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box link. And you also have measuring tapes, both metric and imperial on the end, and it goes all the way across, which is really handy. And then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have a remote start speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you've got the B&O badging for your audio system located here. Grab handle in the body and seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can easily lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and you've got this nice collapsible bin. Then to bring down your seat, simply pull the tab, and then you've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, carpeted mats on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. There's a couple of cup holders, and you've got USB outlets as well. You've got a 120 volt, and I believe your 12 volts located there. You also have a grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window and rear defrost. Dual exhaust, 6.5-foot box, cab steps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, power scope, telescoping, trailer tow mirror, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.